Welcome back to part 2 of how I'm attempting to replace a roof. Yeah. So it can be just a two-parter. It took me a bloody long time to just do even half the roof, and there's a few more bits still to do, but what I want to do is this section is basically get rid of this section, and so it'll be the bulk of the way there ready for part 3, which will be fitting the new skin hopefully. So yeah, learned a little bit from the other side. Learned that actually it's easier just to try and run get a thin 1mm disc and just run it. You obviously don't want to cut all the way through the gutter, but just go through the middle of the gutter where they've sort of done that sort of roller weld. As I said, it's not lots of spot welds, it's just like a continuous weld, which is a pain in the arse to try and dig out. So yeah, just run a disc cutter just across him all the way up, and then you can use the whole part of the skin to try and break it off. So what we'll do is we'll just show you that bit and show you that my technique. Whether you copy me out is another question. You might go, that's the wrong technique, I'm going to do it a different way, which is absolutely fair enough, and comment below if you've had any other techniques. So yeah, it's hot in this garage and I don't want to open the door because it's quite noisy grinding. So what you're trying to do, as you can see there, I'm trying to grind down the middle, not all the way through obviously, and you can see there, you can just see all those little spots. That's where the welder went along originally. So that's what you're trying to do, is trying to get right through the middle of those. You can sort of see it a bit when you're grinding, where the spot welds are, they're slightly lower, so they take a little bit longer to grind through, so they appear as dark spots until you've actually ground the metal away down to it. And then yeah, you just then use that part of the wing to try and carefully break along it, so it tries to give you, in my case, the minimum bit of metal left to grind off. Yeah. Oh, sweating my nuts off. Okay, 99% of the roof is off now. It's just a very slow 1% that's left. So yeah, got a little bit more to do the other side. But this side's got a lot more to do, so obviously I've taken all the big main sheet off. So if I had a whole complete roof, what I'd mostly do is recommend sort of slicing it down the middle and into sections or something. Sort of take the roof off in 6 bits seems to be alright, but you know, it's again up to you. So yeah, let's get the soft pad and make some noise and grind it all back. I mostly won't video this bit because it's damn boring and it's hot, and I'll keep stopping. Okay, yeah, roof's pretty much cleaned up. I've got a few more little bits to do, but I'll do them off air. I just thought I'd just show you, well, what I'm just doing next is just basically there's a lot of surface rust. On the other side it's actually got some holes through to the actual inside, so we'll have to fix them as a separate job. But yeah, so just going around with a wire brush trying to get the bulk of the surface rust off, and then we're going to go over it with and paint a load of cure rust in there, and chuck a load of stuff in there. Maybe, you know, some people might fill it up with a wax oil or later on and stuff like that. And obviously if you're having it shot blasted, you could maybe get the thing shot blasted now, and epoxy primed, then put the roof on would be an option as well, which is technically still an option for me, but I don't know. It's going to be easier, I think, once I'll prefer it with a roof on. So yeah, we'll just go around, wire brush it, and then we're just going to smack it loads with cure rust. Does chemical shit, turns rust to gold or something. Yeah, sorry about that, wandered off again. Check the tyres and the old daughter's motorbike. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I'm not going to show you any more of what I've done. I've got a little bit more to grind out. But you can see now the QRS doing its stuff. You can see where it all turns black. That's where it's sort of chemically doing stuff to the rust. Converts rust to something else. So it's great sort of stuff for just getting into awkward places, kills it. And as I said, maybe do a bit of a wax oiling or something. But anyway, so next time we'll do the next part of the video. I don't think it's going to be the next day because I've got to wait for the I'm still waiting for the actual roof to turn up, but it shouldn't be too much longer. So basically I've got a spot welder. You all know, if you follow me normally. Nathan's got it at the moment. He's finishing it off as we speak, his scuttle. So that's got one set of jaws in it, quite longish ones. These are the original ones that came with the spot welder, so I'm thinking of grinding these up a little bit and modifying them slightly, just so I can get into the gutter, because I think they're going to be too big to get into the gutter. We show you. Give me a second. So yeah, let me see if you can see this. So that's the old gutter. The spot welder needs to get down into there, and it just doesn't at the moment. So you should be able to get in from underneath, not a problem. All the way around, but the top, yeah. So what I'm gonna have to do is just grind off some of this, just so it sneaks in, and I can get a lot of spot welds in. If you didn't have a spot welder, I think you could plug weld it. You know, drill a load of holes, mostly in the roof, to be honest, because then you can just weld downwards a lot easier. And you can grind a little bit, but in the honest, you can then just put seam sealant all over it. Otherwise, if you sort of plug weld from underneath, one, it's a bit tricky doing underneath. Two, it's sort of hidden a little bit, sort of, but then you see more. But yeah, I'd mostly go in from above if I was doing it, but luckily, a long time ago, I did invest in a spot welder, and it's paid off. So yeah, we'll spot the weld on next time, and what we'll also do is maybe, well, we'll save it for another video, to be honest. We got the drip rails as well, because it's a Mark 1, and it has drip rails. So yeah, short episode, but yeah, roof ready. Doors all shut, trying to keep the thing square. Should be all pretty good, to be honest, anyway. You can see this sort of flex a little bit if you force it, but I'm not forcing things. So it should all be good. So anyway, till next time, yeah, how to take a roof off a Mini, part 2.